Let's continue the lesson. In this video, we are going to do task 9. Before we do task 9, let's review our lesson objective. We are going to describe a process, identify sequence words, and learn how to write an introduction and overview. So here's task 9, studying a model answer. Pause the video and read the instructions. So you need to read the model answer and look for these things in the model. So you need to pause the video and read the 6 items you need to find in the model answer. Okay. Let me show you a simple example first. Here's a description of how to make tea. Okay. As you can see, there are 5 steps. There are 5 steps illustrated in the diagram. Read the paragraph. Pause the video if you want. Okay. So you can see here, this is the introduction. Yeah. Diagram illustrates the various steps of making a cup of tea. And this is the overview. There are 5 main steps in the process, beginning with boiling water to serving tea. Yeah, okay. So what's the difference between the introduction and the overview? The introduction tells you the type of data. Yeah, if it's a graph or a diagram describing a process, all right. It's a paraphrase of the question. It's a paraphrase of the question. All right. What about the overview? The overview tells you something about the data itself without going into detail. Okay? It could be a summary. So in this model paragraph, the overview comes after the introduction. But remember, the overview need not always follow the introduction. It can come at the end of the paragraph as well. And it could be a summary. All right, okay. Now let's look for sequence words used in the model paragraph. First, next, then, finally. Okay. And let's look for the vocabulary from the short instructions from exercise 4. Add, serve. Did we look for all the 6 items in the question? Oh, yes. What about the equipment? You can see here the word kettle mentioned. This is the kettle. Okay. So go back to task 9. Now, let's go to task 9 and look for all these 6 items in the model answer. So you can pause the video and note down your answers, or go to the Moodle page and complete the activity on Moodle. Okay. This is the end of today's lesson. Bye-bye and take care.